Today we're gonna start working on Rob Campbell's 53 Ford pickup. Originally we put coilovers on it, and now he switched over and he wants to do an air ride system. So we're gonna go ahead and take the coilovers off of it and put strut bags on it. We'll start there, and we're gonna use an AccuAir management system on the whole thing. So our next step is going to be to figure out where to mount this AccuAir setup. It's actually really cool. The compressor is mounted in the tank with all the valves. It's all complete, contained in one unit, but the one problem is that we need to make a mount for it. We're going to get it up where we can fit it, and then Nick and I are going to go ahead and design some kind of mount that'll fit under here, bolt to the tank, and then bolt to the truck so it's easily removable. We're just probably going to draw something up, and then we'll cut it out on the arc light table and get it painted up, have it looking nice, and bolt it in. Okay, so as far as the level sensors go, we're gonna try to go ahead and get those mounted up. We gotta do a lot of measuring as far as the top of the ride height and the bottom of the ride height. The sensors have a swing of about 100 degrees, so we have to get the measurements right on. Otherwise, we'll go over, and then our management system won't recognize where the truck sits. So we're gonna go ahead and get these drilled and tapped, mounted to the frame, get the lengths right, get the up and down all set. Then we'll just finish up the wiring, button it all up, and hopefully we'll be done with it. The air ride's on here. Now we have it sitting where it should have been sitting from the beginning of its life, way down low. It actually is really close to laying the running boards on the ground. So that's how we like it, but it's still functional. You can raise it up, go down his driveway smooth, go over big curbs real smooth. The ride quality is incredible. It's really smooth. You don't even know that you're on a really stiff chassis. So it drives out really nice. It was easy to set up. I'm sure we'll be using more of these in the future.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.